Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're doing a Sunday reset, a deep bathroom cleaning. Before we get into the cleaning aspect of this video, I just want to apologize for not posting yesterday. I wasn't feeling up to par. I had some files ready to edit and post and I just wasn't feeling it, and so this video will be up on Sunday. Hopefully you will enjoy it as well. So I have my mixture in this spray bottle and I'm just spraying it around my shower and let it sit for a while, and I'll come back once I've done the rest of the bathroom. So now I'm doing the bathroom sink, and basically what's in the solution is baking soda, vinegar, also some disinfectant. Just an FYI, it has been a couple weeks since we've actually clean the bathroom, but the bathroom do get cleaned really regularly, but I'm cleaning it now, so it's not really a deep clean, just to keep the cleanliness and also to get rid of germs as well. So now I'm cleaning the toilet. I'm starting with the exterior of the toilet and I'm just spritzing the mixture all around and just begin cleaning. As you guys can see, for each part of the bathroom I'm using a different cloth, a different item to clean. As much as it's bathroom and all of them are in the same place, it's important that you use a separate cloth or sponge or whatever for the different parts of the bathroom. Let me know down in the comment box any cleaning product that you might recommend to me for cleaning the bathroom. And also, I'm not wearing gloves because this solution does not have any chlorine or ammonium, and I think it's safe for me to actually use it with my hands. So after cleaning the toilet, I'm now going to rinse the sink. As you guys can see, it is really nice and clean and shiny, and I just let the solution sit for a while and look at the results. Now I'm cleaning the wall above the sink, and this is where a lot of like toothpaste and soap and mask and whatever you're using might splash on the wall, so it's important as well to clean this wall. So now I'm going to wipe off the mirror / the medicine cabinet, which is above the sink, and I usually use newspaper to wipe the mirror because it always makes them really clean and crisp and make them look a lot better. But unfortunately I didn't have any on hand, so I'm just gonna wipe it off and rinse it and let it sit, and then I'm gonna clean the exterior of the medicine cabinet. So after doing the rest of the bathroom, I'm now back to brush the shower and to clean it and then to rinse it. I started off using the broom to scrub the wall, but there weren't enough room in the bathroom for the broom, so I decided to get a brush and just scrub the walls with the brush instead. Cleaning the bathroom might seem like a chore, but for me it's just very therapeutic. After rinsing the shower, I'm now putting some water in the container, just rinsing it out. This is the container where I keep some of my skincare and hair care products, and after that, that's it. I've finished cleaning the bathroom. So the last thing I'm doing is mopping the bathroom floor. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave some video suggestions in the comment box down below, and don't forget to subscribe so that you will always be notified every single time I upload a new video. Until next time, bye. Do enjoy the rest of the video.